Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to expand land in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how my town looks like. So as you can see guys here at the top, you're going to find your coins and also your Tcash. If you click on this little plus, you can buy some coins using real money. And right here in the left, you're going to find your current level, your population, and your population cap. You're going to find the settings, edit mode if you want to edit your town, and this little note icon. If you click on it, you're going to find the available tasks. And from here, you're going to find your friends. So basically, guys, in order to expand your land in Township, all you need to do, guys, is do more tasks in order to level up. And once you level up, you're going to unlock and expand land in Township. So for example, I'm going to click right here. If I reach level 5, I'm going to unlock the chicken coop, the eggs, cookies, school, grocery store, pavement, and so on. So basically, guys, those are the rewards that I'm gonna get once I reach level 5. You can also click on the edit mode if you want to change the, for example, I have a lake right here and I want to make it land. I can click right here and I'm gonna drag my finger over the lake. And as you can see, guys, I changed it from lake to a land. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.